Your life rarely falls apart in one dramatic moment. It slowly disappears through habits you stop noticing. You tell yourself it is only a few minutes, but those minutes keep becoming your mornings. The pain begins when you realize another day has started without you. Change begins when you interrupt one automatic decision. Sometimes you do not hate your life. You hate how powerless you feel inside it. You have made promises before. The hardest part is believing yourself again. You do not rebuild trust with another promise. You rebuild it with evidence. The next 30 days do not need to be perfect. They only need to be honest. Start with fewer promises than your ambition wants, and more truth than your ego likes. Day 1 is not a transformation. It is a decision to stop running from yourself. The first battle is rarely against the world. It is against yesterday's version of you. A small boundary feels uncomfortable because your old habit still expects obedience. You do not need to feel powerful. You only need to move while feeling weak. Progress begins when you stop treating discomfort as a command to quit. One small checkmark can become the first piece of evidence that you are changing. Focus does not arrive because you decided to change. It must be rebuilt through resistance. Self-control lives in the second between wanting something and choosing not to obey. The first successful day may not feel exciting. It may simply feel less disappointing. You do not need to become someone new tonight. You need to respect what you did today. Day 1 ends with another quiet choice. Nobody will celebrate. The second day is often harder because yesterday's excitement has already faded. Consistency does not mean repeating the same performance. It means protecting the same commitment. A reduced effort is not failure when it keeps the habit alive. Old habits do not disappear because you had one good day. The danger is not losing focus. The danger is turning one mistake into a reason to surrender. Recovery is a discipline. Return before shame steals the rest of your day. Honest progress is more useful than pretending every day went well. Change becomes visible first in small movements nobody else would notice. Your body begins to believe what your repeated actions keep teaching it. 3 days can create hope, but hope is not yet a habit. Some mornings, your old life will reach you before your new intention does. Discipline grows when the conditions are ordinary, inconvenient, and unimpressive. Progress is not a straight line. It is a series of adjustments made without quitting. You become stronger when your excuses stop receiving the final decision. Do not ask willpower to fight a temptation you can simply remove. Make the difficult task smaller before your mind turns discomfort into escape. Break it into 3 steps. Just start with the first step. Momentum is often created after you begin, not before. A productive day does not always feel powerful. Sometimes it simply feels earned. Improvement becomes sustainable when you stop demanding perfection as proof. Some days, the victory is simply refusing to stay down. On low-energy days, protect the identity, even if the performance becomes smaller. A minimum day still tells your mind, I am someone who returns. Fatigue weakens self-control, which is why difficult days need simpler rules. Not where I want to be, but I have to believe I can do this. Get up. You have to start now. You are capable. You do not need to win every day. You need to avoid disappearing from your own life. Repetition begins reducing the distance between intention and action. Day 6. Time to begin again. Strength is not never slowing down. It is knowing how to keep moving. Progress often becomes visible only after you stop staring at it every day. Self-control becomes stronger when you stop treating every interruption as an emergency. A real transformation contains messy pages, reduced efforts, and imperfect returns. Sometimes support does not push you harder. It simply reminds you that you are not alone.
Thanks, man.
Change becomes easier when you stop hiding every struggle.
Yeah.
The right person does not rescue you. They help you remember what you chose. Accountability works when it creates honesty, not shame.
Yeah. Exactly.
7 days do not change your life, but they can prove that change is possible. Reflection turns experience into information instead of guilt. Removing a habit creates an empty space. You must learn to tolerate that silence. The routine is not easy yet, but it is becoming familiar. Your goal is not to compete with someone else's pace. It is to protect your own. Confidence appears when repeated action reduces the need for negotiation. Discipline improves when prevention replaces constant resistance. Focus is not motionless perfection. It is repeatedly returning to the same meaningful task. A conscious break restores you. An endless escape drains you. What you measure becomes easier to understand and improve. Progress does not protect you from bad moods, stress, or emotional exhaustion. Sometimes distraction is not entertainment. It is an attempt to avoid what you feel. On some days, the hardest task is admitting that you are not okay. Naming the feeling gives you more control than pretending it does not exist. Some days, rebuilding yourself means choosing recovery instead of punishment. Rest becomes productive when it helps you return instead of helping you disappear. Recovery works when you return before comfort becomes another hiding place. The strongest return often begins quietly. Every return rewrites the meaning of the setback. Good systems remove decisions your tired mind should not be trusted to make. Notice the impulse to look away. Accept it, then return. That's all that's needed. 2 weeks of small decisions can begin changing the way you see yourself. Your imperfect record is not evidence against you. It is proof that you kept going. Real progress is often noticed by others before you fully believe it yourself. Growth still requires humility. Feeling better does not mean you are invincible. Halfway is where excitement fades and identity begins doing more of the work. Progress does not remove vulnerability. A tired brain still searches for old comfort. The new version of you is built in moments when the old version almost wins. A late start still protects the promise better than no start. Discipline is often hidden inside one word: still. Never confuse improvement with immunity. A relapse hurts more when you believed the struggle was already over. Do not let disappointment make a destructive decision for you. Reset the environment, reduce the task, and return before the day ends. Recovery does not erase the mistake. It prevents the mistake from becoming your identity. The strongest version of you is not the one who never falls. It is the one who returns faster. Self-control also means knowing when to slow down before you destroy tomorrow's consistency. A sustainable system becomes simpler as you learn what truly matters. The best sign of progress is not stronger struggle. It is needing less struggle. Your routine starts feeling less like punishment and more like a normal part of your life. 20 days of repetition can make a difficult action feel strangely familiar. One day, you pass the place where your old self used to stop. Transformation feels invisible until the past gives you something to compare. Your attention begins belonging to you again. Real self-control often looks boring because the inner battle has become quieter. The goal was never to count days forever. It was to become someone who no longer needs constant convincing. Life will eventually test whether your habits survive outside a controlled month. Stress can make every healthy routine feel irrelevant. When life becomes heavy, reduce the standard without abandoning yourself. A short walk cannot solve every problem, but it can stop the problem from consuming every part of you. On the hardest days, one kept promise can protect your identity.
I've just been really stressed.
Strength also means allowing someone to witness your struggle. Sometimes the right words are not try harder. They are, do not disappear.
Thank you, man.
Surviving a difficult day with your identity intact is a form of progress. By day 25, the routine begins carrying you when motivation cannot. The same path feels different because the person moving through it has changed. Your priorities become stronger when they receive your attention before the world asks for it. Near the finish line, do not destroy consistency by proving how much more you can do. The room may look the same, but your relationship with yourself is no longer the same. Freedom is not having no temptation. It is no longer feeling owned by it. The month did not become beautiful because every day was perfect. It became meaningful because you stayed. You are not looking back to judge the person who started. You are thanking them for beginning. The final day still deserves to be lived, not assumed. 30 days later, the morning has not become magical. You have simply become more present inside it. The challenge ends, but the person you practiced becoming does not have to disappear. 30 days can change your direction. Keep the promise tomorrow, rebuild yourself, and change your life one day at a time.